So good day guys, welcome back to this channel. Now those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you please click on that subscribe button, like and share. So with what I am seeing right now, GBP is actually giving us a bullish move. But first, make sure you follow me on Telegram if you are yet to follow me. The link to my Telegram channel will be in the comment section. So we clearly can see that this GBP USD is actually giving us an uptrend move. So currently we have about will I say 41 pips for it to actually hit a level of 1.26722. So we should expect this GBP USD to actually continue its bullish move. So it's able to take out this ice. Now, are we capable of breaking this ice? The thing is, yes, there's possibility of us breaking this ice. First of all, today we would be expecting federal fund rates, right? We would also be expecting PPI, but the main focus is on federal fund rate. Now, if the Fed leaves interest rates the same, now it is if interest rate still remains the same at 5.26, then we expect GBP to USD break above this level, because with that, if interest rate still remains the same, then we expect USD to fall. If USD falls, that would make way for GBP to USD to give us a bullish move. Now, if there's an unexpected increase, if the Fed eventually hike the interest rates from 5.25 to something else, maybe 5.75 or whatever, then USD will get a bullish move. USD is going to go bullish. If USD goes bullish, then GBP to USD will actually fall. So all you just have to do is watch out for the news and what the Fed is going to do. The interest rate is going to move the market a lot. Do not get caught off guard, because either price moves up or falls. The timing, or it just depends on what the interest rates will happen. But for now, right now, during this, we are in the London section, by the way. So this London section, we should expect probably 40 to 50 pips upward for price to take out this live ICO. So if you're watching it early, you can take your buy on GBP USD. Now, if in case you're interested in high probability trade that we have 70 to 90% chance of winning, then all you just have to do is subscribe to our Patreon channel. We are rolling out a 7 days free trial. So once you go to the comment section, you see the link to our Patreon channel. Subscribe to our Patreon, which is 7 days free, by the way. So this is the trade we actually took on Monday. You can see it's WTI. We actually hit our profits perfectly. This is the trade we're actually looking at today, which is Euro card. We've actually hit our, we have hit our profits. So today also we are looking at another WTI, which we've actually moved our stop loss to break even. I mean, take a look at this WTI. This is it. You can see we are about to hit our profits, right? You can see we moved these profits to break even. So if in case prices reverses, we would opt out with zero loss. So we are aiming to hit our profit very soon. So if in case you're interested in more trade, which is free for good 7 days, you can subscribe to the Patreon channel. The link will be in the comment section.